Me being a fussy eater. Oh, are you? Is it a bit dusty? See that sawdust?